Let's talk about editing a cell that already has data in it. Now, if a cell already has data in it, you can always type a new entry right on top of it and replace it. And that would be really entering a new uh, bit of information for that cell. It would replace the old one. But if you want to edit a cell that already has enough data in it, um, there's a couple ways of doing this. Before we get there in my demonstration, I want to mention that the status mode indicator, if you go into edit mode, will say edit. Okay, so let me show you how this looks. I'm going to go to the data worksheet, and I want to edit this cell, A2. So instead of it saying streamlined 6-month expense estimates, as I see up here in the formula bar, I want it to say streamlined 12-month expense estimates. And I'd rather not type that whole string. I'd rather just change the 6 into a 12. Now there's several ways of doing this, and I'd like to demonstrate a few of them. One is, if I have the cell up here and I see it in the formula bar, I can just click into the formula bar, highlight what I want to change, and just type the new entry on top of it, and then press the Enter key. So that's a really easy way. You just see it in the formula bar, click where you want, and change it. Another way, let's say I want to change it to 18-month expense estimates now, would be to double-click inside the cell itself, and then highlight inside the cell the change that you want. Now, before I make this change, I want to mention again the status mode indicator now says edit. I'm going to change that to 18 and then press Enter key. And I'm back in ready mode. Okay? So let's slow this down just a little bit. The status mode indicator says ready. If I click into the formula bar, even before I start typing, what does the status mode indicator say now? It says edit. And you'll notice the buttons show up, the cancel and the enter key buttons. So I'm going to change this back to 6. I highlight what I want to change, type in the replacement, press the enter key. So those are ways of editing inside of a cell. There's also a keyboard technique that changes ready mode to enter mode. You go to the cell and you press the F2 key. You'll see the cursor blinking at the end of that cell, but you're in edit mode and you can click in here and make your edits. So that is on editing. It's very similar to entering information into a cell, but it's a little bit different nonetheless.